Plant-based diets have gained popularity as a powerful way to boost overall health and reduce environmental impact, but are they truly the right choice for everyone? Embracing a plant-based lifestyle means centering your meals around a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, all naturally rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and support weight management while promoting overall vitality. Yet, transitioning to a plant-based diet is more than just eliminating animal products. It requires thoughtful planning to ensure you obtain essential nutrients that might be less abundant in plant foods, such as high-quality protein, vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. This often means incorporating diverse protein sources like tofu, tempeh, lentils, and quinoa, along with fortified plant milks or appropriate supplements to maintain muscle mass, energy levels, and metabolic balance. Numerous studies have shown that well-planned plant-based diets can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers by emphasizing whole, unprocessed foods while lowering saturated fat intake. However, it's important to recognize that not all plant-based foods are inherently healthy. The growing prevalence of highly processed vegan products often loaded with sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats serves as a reminder that simply being plant-based does not guarantee nutritional quality. A gradual transition can be beneficial by slowly introducing more plant-focused meals, experimenting with new recipes, and learning how to balance macronutrients. You can develop sustainable eating habits that not only satisfy your palate but also support long-term health. Beyond personal well-being, the ethical and environmental benefits of reducing animal product consumption, such as lowering greenhouse gas emissions and reducing water usage, add compelling reasons for many to make the change. Additionally, a plant-based diet encourages a closer connection to food sources and an appreciation for seasonal, local produce, which can further enhance both nutritional value and taste. The key is to focus on variety and nutrient density while remaining mindful of potential gaps in your diet, ensuring that every meal contributes positively to your health and the planet's future. With careful planning, ongoing education about nutritional needs, and a willingness to adapt, adopting a plant-based lifestyle can be a transformative experience, opening the door to new flavors, innovative recipes, and a deeper sense of well-being that supports both your body and the environment.